Okay, sorry about the glitch. I did the first one, it wasn't working, so I'm just going to dive right to it. I go to my command prompt. For those who are still, yes, I'm going to paste it here in the classroom. So just watch out for it before it's going to be here. So let's dive into it quickly. So the command prompt, I'm going to open my command prompt. I'll open it right here. Notice that you see C users Agile. So this is the URL of this. I'm currently in the directory of Agile, which is the folder of Agile. Now to get my C, I do I want to change directory backward. I do cd space dot dot, then I go back, right, and I do cd again space dot dot, and I go back, right. So I do a WIMP logical disk, then get name. Now watch what happens. It will show me the name of my drive, which is C drive and H drive. So if I come here to this PC, I'm going to see the C drive and D drive, okay. And if I just do the normal logical, I could see I could actually see the name for it. If I do the MIC logical disk, I can now see in depth about it. So this for the D. For the D, I have the name as Agile ND, right, for that, and that is that. So that is just that. So let me clear my screen. So I want to change directory forward. I do CD, and I have users, right. I can check the directory of the users to know the kind of users I'm using. So there's a Agile user, and so I can come to CD Agile, right, and now I have this, and I can check the directory for Agile. So OneDrive, I want to go to OneDrive. I do CD that OneDrive. It's right here, and I can check the directory for the OneDrive. I want to go to documents, so I do cd documents, right. I'm already in documents, so I can check the directory for it, and I have this. Now I want to select only those that have documents, or select only those that have PDF, whatever extension you want to select. You just do cd asterisk dot docx. So it's going to display to me the ones. Okay, sorry. CD. Okay, that should work. Let me see. Okay, so there was an error somewhere, and that was, now if I want to display only that, I'm not going to put CD, right. I'm going to put directory as asterisk.docx, and you see it's now working. And if I want to open a document right here, if I want to open a document right here, I'm going to go back to my directory, and I'm going to open presentation. So I come into presentation 1.pptx. Now watch this. It's going to open with a default browser, right. We have this here. Now I want to check the tree structure of this. Now it showed me the tree. Oh my god, so much. It showed me the tree structure of how the folders are being organized. Talking about file organization, right. The tree structure of how it's been organized. So I can just come here and close, right. Okay, so I have my CLS. So I have that. Now colors. Now let's talk about colors. Yes, I love colors. So I have this. It showed me different kinds of colors. Now this is the color for the background, and this is for the foreground. Okay, and now we have the background color, we have the foreground color. The background color is this. The text color, what I'm simply saying is what you have at the background and your text color. So the text color is the foreground, and the background color is the color that is behind the text. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to do this. Okay, so let's change the color. Let's go to the matrix. So that's 0, 0, 2. Now notice that 2 here is green, 0 here, right, for the background, and 2 here, which is green for the foreground. Oh my god, I'm in the matrix. Yes, I'm in the matrix. So yes, I'm in the matrix, right? Just kidding. So to actually change the color back, all you have to do is to say color, and you're back at it again. So I think that is all. Yes, one last thing: creating folders. How do we create folders? How do we delete folders? So to create folders under the document, I'm going to go to C directory, Edgewood College. You can just enter this later. It's gonna work. Put this here in capital, in quotes, Edu College, and right here I'm in Edu College, right? So I'm going to make a directory, like create a folder. So make directory. Now come here. You will notice that okay, we have a folder here called year 8. So I'm going to delete this folder. So I'm going to delete. So let's check directory. I have year 8. So I'm going to delete the folder. I have rm directory, and I have quote. The reason why we use quote is to put two words, right? Sorry, to see it as just one word. So I have year. You can even put it in small letter, year 8, and you take it off. So if you do directory, year 8 is not there, and if we come here to the folder, year 8 is gone. Okay, so be careful while you're working with the command prompt, the command line interface, because whatever you delete here is gone, like it's permanently gone. So you want to be careful how you toggle around it. Okay, so yes, how do we create folder? So to create folder, we do mkdir, that's make directory. I'm going to create Sophie. Hello Sophie. I'm going to create Sophie folder called Sophie is a good girl. Okay, so I've created this folder. Sophie is a good girl. So if you come here, you see that I have a folder called Sophie is a good girl. So she's a good girl. Alright, so but I have to delete, unfortunately I have to delete Sophie is a good girl. Okay, so so to actually delete, so apologies to Sophie. So to actually delete Sophie is a good girl, I'm gonna go rmdir. Then I have quote here, Sophie is a good girl. Okay, Sophie's gone. Oh my god. So that's that. So that's just how it works. So thank you for staying tuned, and if you have any question, you can put it in the chat, and I'm gonna attend to that. All right, so exit. Good. Thank you so much.